Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes. Today's lecture is going to be very interesting. Please have a look at the situation. We are having an equation to solve for x where cube root is used, fifth root is used, and students usually find it difficult to do this type of calculation. That is why we are making this video. Please have a look how we are going to proceed. First of all, what is going on in my mind that 8, 16, 4. All these can be written as keeping the base 2. Like 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3, 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4, and 4 can be written as 2 square. So somewhere in my mind it is going that at the end I am going to make base 2 in the left side and right side both. How we are going to make? Let's have a look. Here what I will do, first of all we should know that if I remove this fifth root, it will be equal to power 1 over 5. Fifth root and power 1 over 5 both are same. And let me keep this exponent 2x minus 8 as it is. This is the first thing I am doing. And similar way I am going to perform the same step here. I am having cube root of 4, and cube root of 4 I can write it as power 1 over 3. If we will do step by step everything, we will find it easy. I hope first step is clear. Now we can use exponent rule as well. Exponent rule means this 1 over 5 can be multiplied with 2x minus 8. Using law of exponent, this rule I am talking about, a to the power m power n, it is equal to e power mn. These both exponents are multiplied. Let us try. We will get 8 to the power 2x minus 8 upon 5 once we multiply these both. And in the right side 1 over 16, and this is 4 to the power 1 over 3, right? If I want to bring this 4 in the numerator, then sign of exponent will change. Like this 4 power 1 over 3, I can write it as 4 power minus 1 over 3. And further exponent is 6 minus x only. I hope till this step you are clear. Keep checking it. It is better to have notebook and pen with you and write each and every step if you want to learn exactly. Now, slowly I am moving what I wanted to do. I wanted to make the base 2. So here 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. So I have written 8 as 2 to the power 3. Nothing else everything is same. And here 1 over 16, see 16 I can write it as 2 to the power 4, right? As I told you, everywhere we will be making base 2. And here I can write, this is 4. Now minus 1 over 3 is multiplied with this, we will get minus times 6 minus x upon 3. This is what I have made for 4. Minus 1 over 3 is multiplied with 6 minus x. In the next step we can make 2 square. Then base is 2. This 3 will be multiplied with this 2x minus 8, which will make it 3 times 2 is 6x. Then 3 times 8 is 24. In the denominator we have 5. Okay. Let's have a look in the right side what we are going to get. This 2 power 4, I'm keeping it as of now as it is. No change. But 4 can be written as 2 square. I can write this 4 as 2 square. Then its exponent is further minus 6. Wait, minus. Let me open the bracket also. I can open the bracket. Why to worry? Minus 6. Then minus and minus plus x divided by 3. Usually mistakes happens in the calculations only. Concepts are clear with the students. That is why each and every step I am writing. Now I need not to make any change to my left hand side. Let me make a space over there at the top. Please check here. Yes. Now left side, let me write exactly same what it is already written. 6x minus 24 upon 5. In the right side, 1 over 2 power 4, right? Here this 2 is also going to be multiplied with minus x plus x. So what will I get? I'll get 2 to the power 2 times minus 6 is minus 12. 2 times x is plus 2x, and yes, to be divided by 3. This is what I am having. This whole is exponent. And now again I am writing 2 to the power 6x minus 24 upon 5. This power 4. See, I am having 1 over 2 power 4. You have two ways. One way is that at this place, even initial phase, you can write it as 2 power minus 4, bringing it to the numerator. And so here also it will remain 2 power minus 4. Now this 2 and this 2, both base are same. If base are same, then exponents are added. So what I can do, I can add both exponents, like minus 4 plus this minus 12 plus 2x upon 3. This is going to be added. Please check it very carefully. Now base on both sides is same. If base on both sides is same, this is 2, this is 2. So without waiting for solving it, I'm going to write both exponents equal, because this is usually happens when base is same, then exponents must be equal. That means 6x minus 24 upon 5, it must be equal to minus 4 plus minus 12 plus 2x upon 3. Now it will make my question easy. Both sides fractions are there. If I want to get rid of this fraction, what is the LCM of 5 and 3? LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. So best way is multiplying both sides by 15. What will happen? If you multiply both sides by 15, 6x minus 24 upon 5, this will be multiplied with 15. Minus 4 will be multiplied with 15. And further, this is also going to be multiplied with 15. This 5 and 15 cancels. This 3 and 15 cancels. At least no fraction will be there now in the next step. This is 3. 3 times 6 is 18. So we get 18x. 3 times 24 is 72. So I'm getting minus 72. In the right side, minus 4 times 15 is minus 60. 5 times minus 12 is again minus 60. And 5 times 2 is 10. So it is plus 10x. Check it very carefully. Now very simple equation we are having to solve. Keep watching it. I'm removing some steps from the top in order to make the space to continue the question. So I'm going to keep x in the left side, 18x and 10x. Yes, I'm shifting 10x to the left side with the change of sign. Minus 60 and minus 60 is minus 120. This minus 72 goes to right side. It becomes plus 72. Okay, now 18x minus 10x is 8x only. And minus 120 plus 72 is minus 48. Then divide by 8. 8 cancels this 48. And finally, solution of this question is x is equal to minus 6. Little lengthy question was there, but I tried my best to explain each and every step to get the result. I hope you are clear with the question. Thank you so much for watching.